Hey guys, online teaching is no more fashion, it is a necessity of the time. In these pandemic situations, teaching online with all the education institutes going online, it is becoming very necessary to teach online effectively. And yes, there are many different ways to teach online. But one of the ways, yes, definitely to go live. There are many different ways to teach live. Okay, so teaching live has its own plus and minus points, definitely. But one of the minus points is that in countries where internet is costly, or in countries where internet is not available to all, costly and availability, all these things are there, and availability with our country like India, where the internet is not available to all. It's not available in each and every corner of the country. It's a very large country, and internet is not available in all the villages, or even if it is available, it's very slow. Okay, so for students who are staying in those areas, it becomes very difficult to attend your live classes. Okay, so, and moreover, you cannot have a large audience with your live classes. So there are many different negative points with live classes. So so another way is to record your videos, as I'm discussing in this video. It's a record, how to record videos and teach effectively. Okay, so one way is to, yes, definitely you have to have some softwares to record your presentation, and you have to have all those softwares you need. But one way is to prepare your presentation beforehand, like PowerPoint or any other open office presentation. You can prepare it beforehand, and then you present and record. That is one way. But um, that is more time consuming. To prepare your presentation beforehand, it takes quite a lot of time. It is time consuming, and also it is not, I feel that it is not a very effective way, because it is scientifically proven that if your student doesn't feel connected, your presentation is already there, you're just discussing whatever was already written on your presentation in a typewritten letters. But if you can have your handwriting instead of this thing, and if you can teach on the go, you are writing and teaching at the same time, it feels more like classroom environment, right? It's more interactive, it is more lively, and feel students feel connected. Okay, in those cases. So it is, instead of preparing the presentation beforehand and then recording your presentation, for many reasons like time and all those things, connectedness of the students, I think this is not a very good way. So instead, if we can have a more on the go teaching with your handwriting, it gives you a more personal touch to the student, personal touch to the student, to see your handwriting, and at the same time your voice. It feels like classroom, right? So so to have this effectiveness in your teaching, you have to invest some amount in purchasing a drawing tablet. You need to have a drawing tablet. In this case, I am using a XP Pen Deco01 version 2. This is the drawing tablet that I'm using, and this is a very good drawing tablet. I'll recommend this to all the teachers who want to record their teaching videos and provide it to their students. So this obviously you have to invest some amount, probably around rupees 6,000 to 7,000 you have to invest. And if you invest this much, This is a very sturdy product, and you can, for years you can use this XP Pen Deco01. If you want, you can go for a lower version of XP Pen also, lower version of XP Pen drawing tablet. But I have used this pen, and I know that this is a very good drawing tablet, and therefore my recommendation would be to go for this Deco01 version 2. Okay, so after having this drawing tablet, you have to have a screen recorder. Okay, as you were teaching, you have to record the whatever you are teaching. You have to record the screen of your desktop or your laptop. So for that, I would recommend you this software, OBS Studio. All these softwares, this hardware you have to purchase, but but all these softwares that I am suggesting you today are free of cost. These are freely available to you, and the screen recorder software that I am suggesting you is called the OBS Studio. This is, I have used many different free screen recording softwares. I would say this is the best screen recorder, freely available screen recorder uh, software. Okay, so I would recommend this to all the teachers who is recording their screen for teaching. Okay, so OBS Studio. I will show you where to download the OBS Studio. I will show you the link for that purpose, and then you will require to have a blackboard where you will write. This blackboard that I'm using right now, is called the Xournal Xournal with an X. Okay, Xournal blackboard that I'm using. This is a very nice software. I have used many different whiteboard or blackboard softwares, but this one I feel is the best one in terms of the smoothness of writing with a drawing tablet. Not all the blackboards that are available freely, you can use the drawing tablet. You will feel that the handwritings are not being smooth, and the recording, when you are recording, there is a lagging. So with this Xournal software, you are not going to feel this. The writing becomes smooth. Writing is smooth, and recording with OBS Studio is also smooth. So it's a very nice software. You can see here, this is the pen. Many different options are there. Okay, you can change the color of the pen like this. You just have to click here on the line. I have changed the color to green. Okay, so this way you can just change the ink of the color of the ink. You can go for the rubber like this. You can just, okay, so this is the rubber here. So then you go back to the pen option. Now you can add pages, new pages. If this is filled, this blackboard is filled, then you can just add a new blackboard and start writing like this. Start writing, and whenever needed, you can go back to the earlier blackboard also like this. You just have to click on the arrows, go back and forth with your blackboards. So you can be very effective with your teaching with Xournal++. This is a very nice product, I would say. So you can obviously change the thickness of the pen also. I have decreased the thickness a bit. I will decrease furthermore. This is, you can see, thinner and thinner lines. You can have a nice thickness pen also. So all these options are there. So I would now like to show you from where to download these softwares. For this, you have to go to this OBS Studio. For the screen recorder, this is the obsproject.com. You can see here, obsproject.com. Okay, so you can OBS Studio is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, all three OS, and all of them are very nice, recording softwares. So this is one. So this is obsproject.com. I would like to write it for you. It is obsproject.com. Go there and download OBS Studio for you. Okay, this is obsproject.com. And the Journal plus plus, this is simply journal app github.io, journalapp.github.io. This is the link. You can go and download it and install it very easily. So it is journalapp.github.io. I would like to write it for you in the next this thing, journalapp.github.io. Okay, so it's not a colon, it's a dot. Okay, just rub it. Okay, so this is done. So this is how, these are the, you have to, with minimal investment of maybe 5,000 or so, you can have very effective teaching with recorded videos online with these two softwares, OBS Studio and Journal plus plus. So good luck, teachers, and be the best teacher for your students. Thank you.